Let's discuss inverse function. F maps A to B 1 1 and 1 2. This is bijective. Then F inverse exists. F inverse B maps to A. Inverse function mapping A B 1 2 3 4 A B C D. Just 1 map to B, 2 map to C, 2 map to A, 3 map to C, 4 map to D. And this is an inverse function Gx and Gx equal to F inverse F. F inverse Gx not equal to 1 by X. F inverse, this is a notation inverse function. F inverse F. Properties of inverse function. First, for a function to be invertible, it must be bijective. Bijective means on one and on two. On one and on two. Second, if F maps A to B, then F inverse B to A. Third, the graph of F and G are the mirror image in the line y equal to x. Fourth, the image of point x1, y1 in the line y equal to x is y1 x1. Fifth, if fx has vertical asymptote, then f inverse x has horizontal asymptote. Asymptote means just x equal to 1. This graph and y equal to 1. Y equal to x, then vertical line this is 90, this is 45, this 45, then this is vertical, then the horizontal asymptote, this is 45 degree. Now inverse trigonometric function ITF, inverse trigonometric function, domain, range and graph. Can you say in trigonometric function are invertible function? No. Invertible function exists when function on one and one two. But inverse trigonometric, all trigonometric function are periodic function, not a one and one two. So some restricted domain and restricted codomain then can make inverse function. Just first sin x. sin x, y equal to sin x. Domain x belongs to R, and range y belongs to -1, close interval to 1. Now draw the graph of sin x. Sin x 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi. Minus 1 this line 1. Minus pi by 2. So restricted domain domain minus pi by 2, pi by 2. Then this function is 1 1 and 1 2. Restricted domain minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Restricted domain codomain minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1, and range equal to codomain. Then this is 1 to function. This is 1 to function. Then function are invertible. Now fx equal to sin x, then fx equal minus pi by 2, pi by 2 to minus 1 to 1, and f inverse x, fx or f inverse x are interchange of domain or codomain. Codomain domain or domain or codomain. Minus 1 to 1 and minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now draw the graph of sin inverse x. Sin inverse x. Sin inverse x. Sin inverse x. This function pi by 2, then 1. So 1, then pi by 2. This is 1, then pi by 2, some point pi by 2. This line pi by 2. Minus pi by 2, then minus 1. So minus 1 put input, then minus 1, then minus pi by 2, this line. And draw the graph y equal to x, the mirror image. Then mirror image, this 1, this is minus 1. This is the graph of sin inverse x. Our domain of sin inverse minus 1 to 1, range minus pi by 2, pi by 2, because domain range equal to codomain. Then is the fun. This is the fun. This is the invertible function. This function minus 1 to 1, minus pi by 2, pi by 2. Now cos x. X belongs to domain. X belongs to R, codomain, and range. Y belongs to minus 1 to 1. Draw the graph. 3 pi by 2 2 pi minus pi by 2 pi minus 3 pi by 2 minus 2 pi minus 1. This is 1. Now restricted domain. Restricted domain, domain 0 to pi. 0 to pi. 0 to pi. Close interval 0 to pi. Restricted domain, codomain. Codomain. Codomain minus 1 to 1. Range equal to codomain, then it is invertible function. Y equal to x. Y equal to x. Now draw the graph. Fx equal to cos x. Fx equal to 0 to pi to minus 1 to 1. This minus 1 to 1 or 0 to pi. Now pi, then put minus 1. So minus 1 first pi by 2, then 0. So 0, put 0, then pi by 2. So 1, pi by 2 greater than 1. So this point pi, then minus 1. So minus 1 put, then pi greater than pi by 2. This point pi by 2, this point pi. This point 0, this point pi, and minus 1. Or this point is the point of mirror. So this look like this graph, and 0 to 1, and 1 put 0 to 1 less than pi by 2 to this point. So looks like graph this. 0 and pi by this line pi by 2, this line pi. 1 put 0, minus 0 put pi by 2, and minus 1 put pi. This is the point of image. Then graph. Minus 1 to 1 and the 0 to pi. Cos inverse x. Graph of cos inverse x. Now third, tan x. Y equal to tan x. Domain x belongs to R 2n plus 1 pi by 2 into pi by 2. N belongs to integer number. Range y belongs to R and minus infinity to infinity plus. Now draw the graph. Pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. Minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi. Then pi by 2. Now the graph. Tan f. Restricted domain. Restricted domain minus pi by 2 pi by 2. Open minus pi by 2 pi by 2 open. Restricted codomain. Codomain minus infinity to plus infinity, minus infinity to plus infinity. This this is the invert. This is invertible function. So how to graph fx equal to tan f. Fx equal to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, minus infinity to plus infinity. F inverse x equal to plus infinity minus pi by 2 pi by 2. Now the graph. Pi by 2 then tending to plus infinity, minus pi by 2 tending to minus infinity. Then this is pi by 2, this is the minus pi by 2, this is like pi by 2 or infinity 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 dot dot minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. So then pi by 2 then plus infinity. So plus infinity then pi by 2. So plus infinity then pi by 2 plus and then pi by 2 and minus pi by 2 then minus infinity. So minus infinity then minus pi by 2 10. This is the graph of tan inverse f. Tan inverse f. Tan inverse x. Now cot x. Now cot x. Y equal to cot x. Domain. X belongs to R minus n pi and n belongs to integer. Range. Range y belongs to minus infinity to plus infinity. Now a graph of pi by 2 pi 3 pi by 2 2 pi minus pi by 2 minus pi minus 3 pi by 2 minus 2 pi, then pi and n belongs to 0. So 0 not include this line. So this graph, this 0 belongs to integer number. Restricted domain 0 to pi, open interval 0 to pi, code minus infinity to plus infinity. This graph. Now cot x 0 fx 0 to pi minus infinity to plus infinity, or minus inverse minus infinity to plus infinity 0 to pi. Now Now 0 0 pi by 2 pi by this is the asymptote 0, so then is the 0, and this is the pi. Pi is the vertical asymptote, so this is the horizontal asymptote pi. This is pi, and pi by 2 put 0, the 0 then pi by 2, 0 is then pi by 2. Now pi by tending to pi, then minus infinity, or tending to 0, then plus infinity. Tending to pi, minus infinity, tending to pi, minus infinity. This is the minus infinity, no? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 0, then in plus infinity. So plus infinity, then plus infinity, then tending to 0. So plus infinity tending to 0. This graph. Tending to minus infinity, then pi, and then tending to plus infinity, then tending to 0, tending to 0. Now cot x. Now cosec x. Cosec x y equal to cosec x. Domain x belongs to R minus n pi, and n belongs to integer. Range y belongs to minus infinity to minus 1, union 1 to infinity. Now the graph. Zero, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, and 2 pi. Minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi. This is minus 1. This is the plus 1. Now the graph. This is the graph. This is the graph. This, and this is the graph. This. So now restricted domain. So domain minus pi by 2, pi by 2. This and this. This is not include to 0. So minus pi by 2, minus pi by 2, pi by 2, minus 0. 0 are not include. Then codomain. Codomain minus infinity to minus 1, union 1 to infinity. Now draw the graph. Fx equal to cosec x. Fx equal to minus pi by 2, pi by 2, minus 0 to minus infinity to minus 1, union 1 to infinity. And f inverse x minus infinity to minus 1, union 1 to infinity to minus pi by 2, pi by 2, minus 0, 0. Now draw the graph. Pi by 2, then this is 1, pi by 2, pi by 2, this is 1, and 1, this is 1, then pi by 2, this then pi by 2, and pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus 1, so minus 1 put minus pi by 2 minus 1 minus pi by 2. Now this is 0 pi by 2, and this is 0 0, and now this point 0 point plus, then plus infinity, and 0 point then minus infinity, pi 2 then minus infinity, pi by 2 then plus infinity. So now 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, then plus infinity, this is 1, then plus infinity, this is 1, then plus infinity, pi by 2 then plus infinity. Now this is minus 1, then minus infinity, minus 1 and minus infinity, and another this function is just minus pi by 2, pi by 2 to minus 1 to 1, and pi by 2, this is the sine inverse, this is sine inverse, this is sine inverse, this is sine inverse. Now sec x, now sec x y equal to sec x, and domain x belongs to R minus 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, and n belongs to integer number pi. Range y belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. Now draw the graph. Pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi. This is one line, this point is minus 1, now draw the graph. This is this graph. This graph, the sec inverse x, and some restricted domain. Domain is 0 to pi, 0 to pi. 0 to pi. Now restricted domain. Restricted domain 0 to pi, 0 to pi, but not include minus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2. Codomain. Minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. Now draw the graph. This line as a vertical asymptote, then draw the horizontal asymptote. Say caps 0 to pi minus pi by 2 minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. So minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity 0 to pi minus pi by 2. Now draw the graph. This line pi by 2, this line pi, minus 1, this is a minus 1. Now 1, this is 1. 1, oh, this is pi by 2, then this one, this is minus infinity, and minus infinity, and then minus 1 is this infinity. Now this is the approach. On is the plus infinity. So plus infinity, then the pi approach the pi by 2. So plus infinity, then pi by 2. And minus 1, the minus infinity. So minus infinity, minus 1 minus infinity, then minus infinity, then minus pi by 2, then approach. Minus 1 this point. Tending to pi by 2. Thank you.